Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, this is Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. Today I'm going to show you how I make this cute ball, Quark version in Dutch. I hope you are going to enjoy this. This is fluffy, this is moist, and this is delicious. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. It is free, and press the notification button so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. So let's get started. In the bowl, I have the flour, the eggs, the cornstarch. I have in here the cornstarch. Here is the salt, baking powder, sugar, vanilla sugar. You can use vanilla extract, no problem. This is the spicy quark. For those of you that are living here in Dutchland, this is spicy quark. For the full list of the ingredients, I'll put them in the description box below. So let's get started. So before we continue, we need pot and vegetable oil because we are going to fry this. We need to pour the oil, preheat the oil in a lower heat, not in a high heat. You can use a lower or medium heat to prepare it depending on your cooker. So I'm scooping the cube into a bowl. Here in the mixing bowl, I pour in the sugar, the vanilla sugar. I crack in the eggs. As you can see, I'm making use of my stand mixer. Feel free to use your hand mixer. After cracking in the eggs, I use the hook to turn the eggs and the sugar together before I start beating them. Beat until they are light and fluffy. So here I add in the curd or quark. So I start beating all of them together in a lower speed until they are well incorporated. Once the mixture is creamy and well blended together, then we continue by adding in flour bit by bit. We keep on mixing all together until well blended. Make sure you lower the speed of your machine as you are adding in the flour. Now we stop, we scrape down the bowl. I will advise you, if you are using hand mixer, the dough will be more thicker in consistency. Then you can use your wooden spoon to turn the rest. You turn in the rest of the flour. Because I have a stand mixer, so I continue beating with my stand mixer and save my energy. As you can see, our dough is nicely blended together. So now we scrape down the bowl get ready to fry. So now we test the oil if it is hot but not too hot. Now we have seen that the oil is not too hot, we will start frying. See how I am going to use my palm and finger to squeeze and make a ball before I gently drop it into the hot oil. I'll repeat the process. Take the dough with your finger, push it up and make a ball and gently drop it into the oil. If you have an ice cream scoop, that will be more easier. You can make use of your ice cream scoop to take the dough and drop into the oil. It will form a nice ball. But if you don't have it, this is the best option with your palm. One good thing I like about this very cute ball is that while frying, you don't have any stress, because once the cute ball is frying, it will flip over. It will be flipping over. It flipped over and fry on its own. You don't need to turn it. It turns on its own and it gets ready in a lower heat and you're good to go. After about 5 minutes, our cute ball is ready. It's done. So I scoop it out and put it in a paper towel so that it can absorb the excess oil. As you can see, our cute ball is ready. Is it not looking yummy? It is really looking appetizing. So I'm going to repeat the process. First, I dip my hand into a clean water. Then I take the dough with my palm, I push it up with a finger and form a ball and drop it gently into the hot oil. Once we finish frying the last batch, our cute ball is ready. So you can enjoy this cute ball with tea, with any drink, soft drink, or whatever you have as breakfast. This is the best. It is fluffy, it is nice, it's yummy. I wish you would try this very recipe at home. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.